the end of the world, I will be there with you, and we'll throw a party to celebrate the things we used to do, like living life, breathing air, running your fingers through my hair. Oh, this isn't fair. At the end of the world, I will hold you so close, so we won't notice the destruction of a